The first one is kind of funny to me. Oh, look. I didn't see it.
We're in blues. All kinds of blues, but I got grays.
The first one is funny to me, actually.
According to a TVJ report obtained through the Access to Information Act, from February 2016 to March 2017, the Honorable Minister of Finance incurred a cell phone bill of $8.34 million.
Oh, yeah.
We read that in October alone, the bill was $4.22 million.
Oh, you are called, so.
Mr. Shaw explained that the bulk of the charges were incurred in data roaming fees and that he was not aware they were being generated.
$4.2 million in data?
Yeah,
Data?
we've been told that he's since paid $2 million in personal charges and has negotiated with the cellular phone provider for a $1 million discount. That's plenty data or talking.
What are you?
$8 million in a year?
How? 12 into 8 million. Like, how much is that monthly?
Make me look like me Einstein.
Well, you seem to know everything, so I'm just asking.
I do.
Yeah,
But I'm not Einstein. I can't work it out for you though.
well, tell me.
Yeah, but them say 1 month alone it was 4.2 million in October.
It doesn't even, and then, phone company. When you see this reach at this point, you know, say something?
Why?
Like you don't send nothing?
Why?
So you make it accumulate for a year?
But they're going to get paid. So what happened?
I just think that's a little unfair. If you realize that something is data charges of
it is different than if you have what you call it something, a plan. So if you have a plan and say the plan is 5,000 per month, and then it reaches 20,000, then somebody call you and say, but the plan is only 5. But if you don't, I don't know, you know, I'm just saying, if you don't have a plan and the phone company expects to be paid, then why am I going to call you and say, why are you talking so much?
I don't, because he said he's not talking. He said it's anyway. Them said them have to clear it up.
Anyway,
Prime Minister said about
the Prime Minister has directed the Ministry of Finance to review and report on the respective policies for the provision of communication services, including cell phones, operating in the various ministries, which is good news.
Yeah, they got to sort
it says this is to allow Cabinet to make a comprehensive decision on how communication services and expenses for ministers are treated, which is one of the reasons people get a little annoyed that I have to pay so much from a property tax and from a car when a phone bill is $8 million.
Because of that way I pay.
I have an issue with that. Anyway.
Next up, guess what? They're going to cut some more of the channels that you love. The Broadcasting Commission has negotiated with the United States content providers, and some more of the cable channels are going to be going. In 2015, the Commission issued directives for 19 channels to be removed because of local and international copyright law infringements. But Executive Director of the Commission, Cordell Green, told the Gleaner Editors Forum last Thursday the intention was to take a phased approach to cleaning up the system. Well, phased or unphased, my dear, some of them are gonna be missing. They said that we are gonna reject some Spanish content. So the TNT, the feeds that we get, like some of the TNT feeds that are in Spanish, and some of the HBO channels that were, I guess HBO Caribbean, the one that was in, them gone too. While the US-based content owners have made it clear that they're not happy about having their material pirated, as well as revenue lost, Green said the Broadcasting Commission accepts that mandating a large number of channels to be taken off would only succeed in pushing people into the unregulated market. Question: when them take away everything, what is left to watch? I mean, no, you don't really do TV.
No, I don't watch TV.
You don't really do TV.
No, but
still,
TVJ,
so.
you watch TVJ.
All right. I love TVJ. Okay? Of course. But suppose my daughter wants to watch cartoon at 6 o'clock. And we are on at 6 o'clock. All she do is say, hey, there's mommy on there. She change the channel. She don't really sit down and watch the show. But suppose you want to watch, we have to spend some money and make sure them can still get Nick Jr. Or then everybody is going to go and buy some of those things that everybody is using now and stop
using cable. So you know that is one that you're going to lose? The one that
Well,
you got
the
around
only way
the
to
world.
find out what's going to be well, some of them are lost already. Like we used to have some cartoon channels that are already gone. So I'm just saying, using that as an example.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the commission is lobbying U.S. providers to explore clearance for them to be shown in Jamaica or the wider English-speaking Caribbean. So I guess all is not lost. You know that we're on HD. It does look different.
Yes, I
you know?
heard.
It looks
You saw
different.
it? I saw. You
We
know
can
who
see
looked
it here.
different?
Bring up Sakina. Yeah.
You look
different.
how different?
You just look cleaner. I mean,
Oh.
I don't mean like as
That
in,
me never
as in,
be.
as in beard. But seriously, you see everything. It's a,
See
there's a
everything.
difference, man.
So
There's a
anytime I
difference.
have bump and
You see
something,
that,
well,
you
I
see
see
that,
that.
you see that.
Wow.
There's
Well,
a
the makeup
difference.
artists definitely have some hard work to do now.
They're brilliant.
Yes, they
All right,
are.
where are we now?
Mr. Powell,
Guilty of,
breaching the firearm.
yeah, I want to know, yeah, guilty of breaching the Firearms Act by failing on 3 separate occasions to produce his Glock pistol when asked to do so by the
inspection.
police. He's scheduled to be sentenced on August 9. What is the sentencing for this? Don't they, is a fine, don't it?
For the breaching the firearms act.
Yeah, something like, is that fine?
Let's see.
There is no jail time, is there? There is
Up
jail
to
time?
a year, you said 12 months. It's a fine or 12 months, right? It's not in addition to.
Is it 2 of them?
Right. No, it's not in addition to. It's like a fine
Eh?
or 12 months.
Oh,
It's not in conjunction.
How much you say, Brad? $300,000 or 12 months?
Well, you know how that's gonna end.
Can somebody just send me a message and
Yeah.
tell me exactly
Let's know
what is-
exactly if you know,
I
but
want
you
to
know
know.
how that's gonna go.
So August 9. I suspect if it's 300,000 or 12 months, him won't pay the 300,000. I don't see him when go
Exactly.
sit down in jail for a year just for
Precisely.
$300,000. So
Sell a tire.
I've never understood this case. Because apparently even now, them don't get the gun.
Guess
I'll
what?
know.
Yeah, of course not. And the thing is that he anyway. No.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
don't
not
go
gonna
there.
do that.
Don't go there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
Well,
Everyone knows
his
me.
lawyer said they might appeal. It says she stopped short of saying her client would appeal the verdict. And I quote, he has given his reasons and there's somewhere else to challenge that if we choose to.
No.
I suspect him just going to pay
No.
the show.
Yeah, he's just gonna pay. Boom shalazum gosh man.
I'm done.
That's what he says.
Yeah.
They just gave it to me because they know something that I remember.
Oh, you were trying to remember. Okay. All right.
Thanks, Harry.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Birthday
About-
time.
Yeah, I
Yes,
have a birthday.
I don't have any today.
Well, let me
so
do
it's all
this
up to
one
you.
first. This is, hold on, I have to go get the name first because I write upside down. So this is Vivette Moore from Barnside District from Brother, Daughter and Family. There is Miss Moore.
So you can't read upside down?
Yeah, but I don't want to turn she upside down. I'm reading upside down now. Vivette Moore from,
You can't read
hold on,
Barnside.
Barnside District. There you go. There she is.
Happy
There have her.
birthday.
Yeah, man. I have one more, and this is Lois Pommels. Today is Mrs. Pommel's birthday. When we photo, you go into photo, don't? Then you go to album. I have a, I think.
Make sure the right picture. Yeah, bro.
Yes, man, there she is.
Oh.
There's Miss Pommels right there. Big lady.
Happy.
She's a big lady today.
Oh, that's
Yeah, man.
nice.
All right, there you go. 72 years old today.
Fantastic.
Have a great day, Mrs. Palmer. It's coming from your daughter, Nerine, the rest of your children and your grandkids. And from us here, have a brilliant day and many, many happy returns. You have none?
No birthdays for me today.
All right, just do that one.
Okay, let me do it again. Vivette Moore, Barnside District.
Happy birthday, everyone. Have a great day today.
We know the key to unity of all people a heart full of